So guys, thank you for checking ACUMAN. This is Alex. Eye strain is a really common problem when we work at office. Facing the screen too long will make our eye blur and uncomfortable. But what shall we do if we want to relax our eyes? Luckily, I have my Shifu, who is a great master of Chinese medicine, Kung Fu, and making Kung Pao chicken. He used to tell me, don't panic, Alex. In this kind of situation, you need to press 3 acupoints, and it will relax your eyes and make it comfortable. So, which acupoints? Let's find it out. We're gonna use 3 acupoints for today, which is called Jingming, which is right here, and Taiyang here, and 400 point, which is here. We'll talk about the details on how to press it later, alright? Stimulating these acupoints can chill our faces and muscles around the eyes. In this way, the eyes can get relaxed. Well, I know some of you will ask, why are there so many Chinese people wearing glasses? They shouldn't have to know how to relax eyes already. Come on, don't you know how hard Chinese students have to study? Well, that's what we call Asian parents, right? Oh, by the way, this acupressure can only relax your eyes. It cannot cure your short sight problem. So don't ask me that, Alex, why I'm still wearing my glasses after I'm doing the massage. Well, it's none of my business. My eyes are pretty good. So how to press those acupoints? The first thing we should do before the whole process is closing our eyes, just like this. Because closing your eyes is the best way to relax your eyes after you're staring for the screen for like 2 or 3 hours. Alright, so the first acupoint we're gonna press for today is called Jingming Xue. Jingming Xue in Chinese means eyes brightness. Well, it's pretty loud and clear, huh? Jingming Xue is right in the middle of your eyes and nose bridge, which means right here. We are going pressing Jingming Xue with a gentle and softly power like this. And remember, don't press your eyeball with too many stress. And after that is the second acupoint we're going to use for today, which its name is Taiyang. Well, Taiyang in Chinese means sun. We can imagine it can bring brightness like the sun. Alright, so how to press in Taiyang Xue? Taiyang point is on the corpse point of your eyeball and eyes, which means right here. So how to press it? We're going to use our thumb to find Taiyang Xue. We'll use 10 seconds as a set, then release it, and from light to heavy again for another 1 minute. Just keep doing that for 1 minute. Alright, the last acupoint we're going to use today is called 400 Xue. 400 Xue is right below your eyes for 1-inch point, which means right here. We're going to press the 400 Xue with our index fingers too. It's like we'll put the index finger on the 400 Xue and then press it repeatedly and softly for another 1 minute. Alright, the last step, and it's a small trick of the whole process, is called heating the eyes. So how to heat the eyes? We're gonna rub our hands very quickly and make it heat, and then put that on your eyes. Keep doing that for 3 to 4 times. And after that, open your eyes. And that is it. Oh, what's more, please check the link below. We prepared some for you, which is sent by me. It's a little bit awkward. You can massage your acupoints with the beads, alright? Alright, this is ACUMAN. If you like our program, please subscribe to us or leave your comments below. Alright, so until next time, bye!